Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the sound in your DoorDash app feels too loud, too low, or you are missing important order notifications, you might want to adjust the volume settings for a better experience. Sometimes users do not hear delivery notification, while others feel notification sounds are distracting during the day. Since DoorDash relies on app sounds for updates like new orders, messages, and delivery status, having the right volume level can make using the app much smoother. The confusing part is that app volume may depend on both DoorDash settings and your phone sound controls, which many people overlook. The good thing is that adjusting the sound only takes a few moments once you know where to check. In this video, I will show you step by step how to easily adjust volume in the DoorDash app. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and make sure the DoorDash app is updated on your phone. Step 2. Go to the settings section inside the DoorDash app to look for DoorDash app notification options. Step 3. Increase or decrease phone volume while the DoorDash app is open to affect DoorDash app sounds. Step 4. Check the notification sound settings connected to the DoorDash app on your phone. Step 5. Test a DoorDash app notification to confirm the DoorDash app sound level feels right. Step 6. Continue using the DoorDash app and adjust the DoorDash app volume again if needed.